Willow Nightingale vs Maya Ward ku mukino wagenze. The main event of AEW Collision tonight, Willow Nightingale vs Maya Ward for the AEW Women's World Championship. The highly contested champion vs champion match was highly competitive, with TBS champion Maya Ward pushing Nightingale to her absolute limit before Nightingale secured the victory with a strategic backslide pin. Willow kept her prior promise to give Maya Ward the first shot at her newly won title. Ward was looking to make history by holding both TBS and Women's World Championship simultaneously. Willow fired up the leading PA crown early with a corner bar. Maya Ward answered back furiously, hitting a twisting sunset bomb off the ropes and bridging fairway slam to nearly end Willow's reign. After exchanging hard strikes, Willow went for her signature baby with the powerbomb. Maya Ward managed to counter into a pinning predicament following a series of quick back and forth near falls. Willow stepped behind Maya Ward and trapped her in a backslide to get the hard-earned 3 count. The entire championship bout lasted 11 minutes and 27 seconds. With this handle cleared, Willow Nightingale is officially locked in to defend the AEW Women's World Championship against Mercedes Moné, known as Sasha Banks at WWE, at the AEW All-In at Wembley Stadium. Following the match, a respectful Maya Ward sent a clear message of encouragement to Willow Nightingale, telling her to defeat Mercedes Moné in London. Barakubwira ko umukino w'iri joro wari ukomeye, wari mu cyiciro cy'abagore aho bahataniraga umukandara wa AEW Women's World Championship. Willow Nightingale akaba yarahanganye na Maya Ward. Maya Ward yashaka gukora amateka kuba yatwara umukandara wa TBS Championship akawongera ku uyu mukandara wa AEW Women's World Championship akaba yifite yose icyarimwe mu cyiciro cy'abagore, ariko ntibyaje kumuhira kubera ko umukino wari uri ku rwego rwo hejuru wamaze iminota 11 n'amasegonda 27 yaje kurangira Willow Nightingale amutsinze, bityo agumana umukandara we. Nyuma yo kurangiza, Maya Ward ubu akaba yiteguye kuzahura na Mercedes Moné wahoze ari Sasha Banks, akaba bazahurira kuri Wembley Stadium mu Bwongereza. Willow Nightingale defeated Maya Ward via pinfall to retain the AEW Women's World Championship in the main event of AEW Collision. Thank you for your time. Wakoze kubana nanjye.